Hello, I'm Tom Booker, Senior Instructor. Thank you for joining me. This video tutorial is over Self-Defense Kata number 1. We will be naming the skills as we go. I can't do something correctly if I'm not sure exactly what a skill is. So we'll be having a look at this from the front. We'll also be having a look at this from the side. Now, this is what is called a walking kata. I'm going to start by taking 3 steps forward. Right foot, left foot, right foot. Then, I'm shifting back into a Jack Benny stance. From here, wedge guard. And then with my front foot, stomp, stomp. Elbow strike, elbow strike, elbow strike, elbow strike. Palm heel strike, palm heel strike, palm heel strike, palm heel strike. Open hand strike, backhand strike. Open hand strike, backhand strike. Clinch, knee, 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 push off, wedge guard, shuffle step, shuffle step. Wedge guard, stomp, stomp. Elbow strike, elbow strike, elbow strike, elbow strike. Palm heel strike, palm heel strike, palm heel strike, palm heel strike. Open hand strike, backhand strike, open hand strike, backhand strike. Clinch, knee, 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 push off, wedge guard, shuffle step, wedge guard, back to ready. All right, now let's have a look at Self-Defense Kata number 1 from the side. Again, we'll be naming the skills as we go. Chimbi, and right, left, right. Jack Benny stance, wedge guard, stomp, stomp, elbow strike, elbow strike, elbow strike, elbow strike, palm heel strike, palm heel strike, palm heel strike, palm heel strike, open hand strike, backhand strike, open hand strike, backhand strike, clinch, knee, 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 push off, wedge guard, shuffle step, wedge guard, stomp, stomp, elbow strike, elbow strike, elbow strike, elbow strike, palm heel strike, palm heel strike, palm heel strike, palm heel strike, open hand strike, backhand strike, open hand strike, backhand strike, clinch, knee, 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 push off, wedge guard, shuffle step, and back to ready. All right. That is self-defense kata number 1, from the front and from the side, naming each skill as we go. Again, I can't do something correctly if I'm not sure what it is. Sometimes a skill is very obvious, very clear what it is. Palm heel strike, I'm not likely to mistake for anything else. Sometimes it's not quite so clear what a skill is. These open hand backhand strikes, for example. The first time you see this, it can look like I'm fanning away an annoying mosquito. It can be hard to figure out what's going on here. When I can start putting a name to these, open hand, backhand, it becomes a little clearer. I get a better idea in my own mind what it is I'm trying to do. Thank you very much for joining me.